Assalamualaikum and welcome. Earlier I shared unboxing Shein products. This video is about unboxing Temu products. And it was my first ever purchase on Temu. Let's start with this beautiful red dress. I bought it for my Paris tour. It was roughly £5, but I must say the quality was really good. And the next one is this yellow shirt, and it was not that good as red one, but it was okay. You can see the pictures of my Paris tour here, wearing this red dress and the yellow shirt. I really like wearing ornaments. I have lots of collections, but I left all of them back in my country. So after coming to this country for a long time, I didn't have anything to wear, and all on a sudden I just decided to buy. I really don't remember how many I bought on that purchase, maybe 11 or 12. Not too pricey, all of them ranging from £1 to £2.5. So honestly, I was not expecting them to be very good in quality, but to my utmost surprise, they turned out to be pretty good. I wouldn't say they are very high-end, but comparing the price, they definitely look pretty and they are good in quality. Obviously, these are not for rough use, but considering the price, I was happy. And when I tried with the dresses, it looked fashionable. After this purchase, I became a big fan of Temu, and since then I have bought so many products from Temu. But to be very honest, not always it fulfilled my expectations, and some of them were pretty bad and I had to return them back. So I think it's worthy to give it a try when the products are in like low price or cheaper version. It's a bit risky yet to try things with the higher price. Let me know, what do you think? That's all. Thank you for watching.